Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about chapter 9, Space Weather. In topic 9.1, the activities of the sun that affect Earth. Our focus is about the phenomena that happen or occurs in the sun's surface, such as granules, sunspots, solar cycles, prominence, solar flare, coronal mass ejection, and solar winds. What is granules? Granules is a clump of gases formed in sun's surface due to the difference between temperature core and photosphere. It appears in a grainy structure. Sunspots is a dark regions on the surface of sun that exist in pairs or group. Appear darker because their temperature is lower than surrounding areas made up granules. The activities of sunspots seems to appear and disappear according to cycles that last 11 years, known as the solar cycles. Droughts occur on Earth when the sunspot become active. Prominence is a huge loop or arc column of glowing gases over sunspot out from photosphere to corona. It consists of plasma, hot gases electric charge of helium and hydrogen. Solar flare is a column of large amounts of charged gases at chromosphere erupting from the sun and often occurs near sunspots. It releases charged particles as electron and proton. It also releases X-ray and gamma ray. Solar flare can cause coronal mass ejections and aurora. Coronal mass ejections occurs at corona. Coronal mass ejection is an eruption of huge cloud of plasma occurs together with solar flare. It is also an ejection of magnetic gas particles and produce aurora. Solar wind release particles in plasma such as electron, proton, and alpha particles to outer space at high speed. Now we go to Earth magnetosphere and its importance. Earth magnetosphere is a region of space surrounding an astronomical object in which charged particles are manipulated by that object's magnetic field. It is created by planets that have active hot iron and nickel or metallic cores. The motion of convection currents of molten in the planet's core generated a planetary magnetic field. Earth magnetosphere is important as biological shield to protect life on Earth from the adverse effect of solar wind. It also blocks electrons, protons, and alpha particles in the solar wind from reaching Earth, which can reduce pressure exerted by solar wind on Earth's atmosphere. Now we go to shape of Earth magnetosphere. It is formed by the interaction between magnetic field brought by solar wind and Earth magnetic field. Here, look at the picture of Earth magnetic field. We go to next subtopic 9.2 about the space weather. What is space weather? a change of environmental conditions in near-Earth space or space from the Sun's atmosphere to the Earth's atmosphere, such as solar flares, sunspots, and coronal mass ejections. The Sun's activities emits various rays and particles that change space weather. This diagram shows the phenomena that happens in surface of Sun, such as sunspot, coronal mass ejection, solar wind, and solar flare, which affect the space weather. This picture shows the phenomena of aurora. Look at the beautiful of colorful lights. Now we focus on effect of space weather on Earth. Number 1, can damage on satellites. Number 2, exposed to the high radiation. Number 3, rusting of pipe. Number 4, energy of charged particles can damage the cable of electrical grid tower cable. That's all for today. Thank you.